This eSIM worked exceptionally well. After activating it at the airport in China, it was immediately usable in Europe without any connection issues. My trip through Hungary, Austria, and the Czech Republic was seamless. Since we were traveling independently, a stable network was crucial. This experience was excellent, and I will definitely choose this eSIM provider again in the future. It's smooth and easy. If you're expecting the highest quality, you might get annoyed when the signal is weak, but it's best to just accept that it's normal. If you use social media at the location you're staying at, I didn't use up the full 1 GB even when using Google Maps all day. Instagram, Twitter, etc. will probably use up a lot of data. Since I usually only make calls via line, the 1 GB per day eSIM was extremely cheap and helpful. I had no problems connecting to the internet. Japanese telecommunications companies are no good. This is definitely something I'll use when traveling abroad. I used it in Germany and Switzerland. It worked without any problems in most places. There was a brief moment when it didn't work when I was on the train going through the mountains, but I think that's normal. Activating the eSIM was also smooth. I used it very well during my 12-day trip in Europe. The internet connection was good and there was no problem with the storage, so I use my phone a lot and I am satisfied. If you are going to travel to Europe, definitely use it. I used it on a trip to France. It worked without any problems even in the countryside of southern France. It might have been a bit unusable on mountain roads. It's cheap, easy to use, and highly recommended. Needed internet access temporarily while abroad? Quickly bought an eSIM and it's ready to use immediately. Great reception. 2 GB lasts a long time, no lag. The price is reasonable too, great value for money. If you're just looking at maps, replying to line messages, and checking social media all day, I think 1 to 2 GB is enough. I had a smooth connection no matter where I was. We receive Telefonica, Movistar, and Vodafone somewhere in Pamplona, Navarra, or España. It's quite good that we receive them at all. It automatically finds the best internet connection and works very smoothly, highly recommended for cross-border travel in Europe. During my trip to Portugal and Spain, the internet was stable and smooth, 1 GB per day was more than enough. The internet speed is very stable, and the connection is activated quickly. I will repurchase if needed. It works very well, the internet speed is great, and the price is reasonable. I would buy it again. Buy and use immediately. Super easy one-click installation on iPhone. Stable network connection. It runs very smoothly and without any delays. It's my top choice for future trips to Europe. Two GB/day is generally sufficient, unless you're making long-line video calls, over 3 hours. The signal is stable and works well in Zurich, Lucerne, and the Zermatt mountain region. fast and uninterrupted internet access in several Nordic countries, highly recommended. The network is pretty good, mostly 5G connectivity. I would repurchase. It's inexpensive, easy to set up, and easy to use. No problem.